backpack on. It's very cute. I bought it 5 years ago. Hey guys, haven't posted in a while, but you know, whatever. It's back to school season, which means there is so many people that are overaged and posting back to school videos even though they don't go back to school anymore. Guess what? I go back to school, which means taking tips from me is good. And subscribe, it's free, and hit that bell thing, it helps. Here are 10 tips to help you survive school. Whooshy! Tip number 1. Pack your bag before you head to sleep. Pro tip, if you buy new stationery for back to school, chances are you're going to lose it by the end of the year. So why bother? Number 2, sleep early. I should sleep now. It's 8 p.m. and I need to go to school tomorrow, so I'm just gonna rest. Wait, oh my god, I haven't done my Snapchat streaks. Oh my god, my friends are gonna be so mad. Hey, Captain, going to bed now. Going to sleep early because school tomorrow. Hashtag sad life, hashtag I'm so sad. Might as well Instagram about it. But these pictures look so ugly. I need like a really cute one where like I'm sleeping and then like I'm like covered in blankets. See which one is good. Oh my god, it's 10 p.m. I need to sleep or else I have no energy tomorrow. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't sleep. But maybe if I just go on my phone a bit, then I'll get tired. Oh my god! It's 1 a.m. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I need to sleep, I need to sleep. Oh my god. Tip number 3. Set a billion alarms. Cause you know, why not? Wait, before I sleep. We just turn on over. There we go. Much better. Tip number 4. Organize your stuff. And there we go. All clean. Wait, where did my USB go? I always put it on the table, but now I cleaned it. Oh no, where is it? Oh god. Oh no. Tip number 5. Have friends. I know making friends is a very, very hard thing to do. But once you make friends, you have people to copy your homework from.
No.
Number 6. Act dumber than you actually are. Because if you act dumber, it actually helps. You know, I actually do it myself. Hi, welcome to math. class. I am your new math teacher, Miss HC. So we'll be learning about triangles. Angle. So, you see, this is angle X. Yeah, I don't know what 1 plus 1 is. You want to solve for angle X. X is the adjacent angle. Tip number 7. It's the most well-known one out of this list, and it's if you don't want to be called on, don't make eye contact with the teacher. Which one do you use? Yes, you. Jupiter? This is a math class. Have you been paying attention? It is math class, not geography. Another student lah. Number 8. Write notes. Number 9. Find some relaxation time. Here are some bonus tips or honorable mentions. Remember to put an umbrella in your locker. When it rains after school, you will have an umbrella to leave from, or else you'll be soaked in rain. Be nice to teachers. It helps. Tip number 10. I don't have one. Oh, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, then like the video, and if you really liked it, then subscribe. Yeah, thank you for watching. Good luck in school, and if you're too old, then good luck in life. Here are some bonus tips or honorable. Here are some bonus tips or honorable. Here are some bonus tips or honorable. Audible? No, it's not sponsored by Audible. Honorable mentions. So this is the behind the scenes if you're curious on class thing. I have the camera right here. Then my stuff, this table is supposed to be here, but I'm filming the teacher scene right now. So you can see the notes here, the pens. In case you couldn't read it, you can read at the time when this part was in. You can read it's an Easter egg. Star also had an Easter egg and stuff. But these Easter eggs, you see all the posters, I printed it too small so you can't see, so now you can if you are curious. So the first one says, welcome to 3rd grade. And then this one says about the alphabet, which is the keyboard alphabet. This one, stop and you're under arrest. Here is, well, you can read it if you can. Here is another one, and another one. Pause it if you want to read it, but no, I just got off the internet. And this one, and this one. It's a picture that I drew really quickly. It's supposed to be a dog, but okay. And this one, this. Oh god. Okay, this one. I bleeped the swear word out and not bleach. You can guess what swear word it is. And this one, I added some other cool features with this. And that's the PR table. Yeah. So that's that. And then we film the teacher scene. This is what it sounds like when it rains up here.